Strange noises haunt my nights in this apartment. Every creak, every whisper feels deliberate. The previous tenant disappeared without a trace, leaving behind only a journal filled with frantic writings. Last night, I saw a shadow figure standing at the foot of my bed, watching me. The maintenance man claims no one has died here, but his eyes tell a different story. The walls seem to breathe when I'm alone. Sometimes, I hear my name being called from the empty closet. The neighbors never acknowledge the screams that wake me at 3:17 a.m. every night. I'm afraid to sleep now. Share your apartment nightmares.